dua, satu. So, hello everybody. Welcome back to our podcast that's called Catalyst Cast. So, we're going to talk about many things, everything in this podcast. And here with me is our guest Farid. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello. Hi everyone, my name is Ahmad Farid Mustafa, but most people call me is Farid. Alpha. I'm first semester student at MMTC or STMM, majoring in micro and interactive communication, or in Indonesian is manajemen informasi dan komunikasi, and also play as goalkeeper for the STMM futsal team.
That's very interesting, people. So, where from and what people gonna what are some nicknames that people usually use to call you? Yeah.
Okay, I'm from Kediri, specifically from Pare, and in my home, people call me Ava, and in here in Jogja, people call me Fari.
So, you say that you're from Pare.
Yeah, Pare.
Wow, so interesting because if you know people that Pare is most popular place to visit because Kampung Inggris.
Yeah, student place, Kampung Inggris.
Oh, okay. Maybe you say that you're a player, especially goalkeeper
Yeah,
in our university.
yeah.
So that today we'll talk about futsal and campus life. And maybe I'm gonna ask you first that what inspired you to join the futsal team at our campus?
First, if always enjoyed sport,
Yeah.
especially futsal. When I entered STMM, I wanted to challenge myself and represent my campus. So joining the futsal team felt like the perfect choice.
Yeah, I agree with you. And how does it feel to be a goalkeeper for
Okay.
STMN?
With the goalkeeper.
Yeah.
So it feels exciting and a bit challenging. Being a goalkeeper means you carry big responsibility, but I enjoy the pressure and it motivates me to join.
And I hear about you and your team going to Campus League.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And how the experience in there?
Experience is my first competition, professional
Oh, you're the
competition.
good.
Yeah,
You're the
the
good.
professional competition. And my most memorable moment is being to STMM versus University Gajah Mada.
Ada. And
It's a memorable moment.
more. And how about the score?
Wow, the score is so big, yeah.
Big, yeah.
It's a secret, bro.
Secret. If you wanna know, just
What do you know? You want to watching in Campus League
Campus
YouTube
League
channel.
YouTube channel. And if you wanna know more about our futsal team, you may join the UKM.
Yeah.
The organization. And I'm gonna ask you about how do you balance your study and your sport?
How I balance my study and my sport. First, I try to manage my time by keeping a simple routine. I focus on class during the day, then practice or exercise in the evening. As long as I stay disciplined, everything stays balanced.
And I interesting about how you still go to the campus and study with our friend, but you also being goalkeeper, yeah. And maybe that's all about our conversation about your futsal team. We will talk about more your hobbies or daily life about our guest this, and maybe we'll talk about what do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time,
Mhm.
I have a lot of sport.
Mhm.
The first is futsal,
Yeah.
and the second is bicycling,
Bicycling.
and the third is swimming,
Oh, you like swimming?
yeah,
Uh-huh.
and the fourth is skateboarding, but it's so
Ngepas.
yeah,
Ngepas ya.
impossible. And I think so. And hanging out coffee shop. I like coffee, bro.
Oh, you like a coffee?
Yeah, bro.
What you usually drink? Americano, espresso.
My drinking coffee is V16 and Americano.
Ooh, V16 people. And you say about the second one is bicycling.
Basically.
And I heard too that your bicycle is gone, bro.
Yeah, my cycling is what is it? In Indonesia dimaling.
Dimaling, yeah. That's very funny. And about bicycling, who do you want to?
What? The place or
No.
memorize
What's your favorite person?
person?
Yeah,
Person
Bicycling.
cycling
Yeah.
partner.
cycling partner. That's what I want to talk.
Okay. My cycling partner in my home or in here?
In here.
In
here.
My cycling partner, the
The
first.
first one and the special one.
The first my partner by cycling.
Uh-huh.
It's my friend.
Mhm.
She's studying at MMTC.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, she's from Yogyakarta.
Oh, Akamsi people,
Akamsi.
Akamsi.
Warlock.
Warlock. And what's your status with her?
Just friend.
Just friend or more? We don't know.
Little bit more.
A little bit more. And I heard you do enjoy your hanging out at coffee shop. That's 96 what?
V60.
360, yeah. And what do you like about them?
In coffee shop, I like the calm vibe,
Mhm.
calm vibes. Coffee shop help me relax to making a project, or making LPG,
Oh,
making proposal,
we're gonna talk about that. Okay.
and think so clearly. And some things get school work done. My favorite place are in my hometown is Intention and Akhir Bulan
Okay.
in Parikong, Inggris.
Mhm.
And in here is homework coffee in Taman Siswa.
Taman Siswa. And okay. Maybe we should talk about coffee, and after that we will talk about LPG that you say.
What else?
Yeah. Do you have any plans to open your own coffee shop because you really like coffee in the future?
I think yes. I want to open a coffee shop someday.
What's the theme? Hema.
Theme is specifically vintage. Yeah.
Vintage. Yeah.
I even have an old house for my grandfather that I'm planning to turn into a cozy coffee shop in the future.
Oh yeah, that's interesting. And yeah, I say that we're gonna talk about your LPG. Maybe every people don't know about what LPG mean in Indonesia.
LPG, that is laporan pertanggungjawaban.
Laporan.
Because I'm what is bendahara, bro? Joining executive student in kampus.
Yeah, organization.
Organization student.
So you join one UKM and two. Three.
The first is futsal, and the second is sport,
Oh, sport.
and the third is band.
BEM, Badan Eksekutif Mahasiswa ya. How about the sport?
How about the sport?
Your sport doing. And I heard too about high dose.
High dose.
Oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? High
The
dose.
first for e-sport,
Mhm.
seriously, I'm so boring to playing game.
Mhm.
Yeah, and what is it? Yeah?
High dose. What's high dose mean to you?
I mean, it does so success, and I want to helping them for the tournament or other schedule for the future.
So if you gonna want to know more about high dose, calling us, and the sponsor maybe calling us too. And what your goals and self improvement? What your current goals both academically and personally?
Academically, I want to maintain a good grades and improve my skills in communication and media. Personally, I'm focused on getting healthier, losing weight, and becoming more disciplined, bro.
Discipline. Something about discipline. I heard too that you're in a fitness journey, and for what's motivate you to keep going about your fitness journey.
So I want to be healthier and feel more confident.
And
The apple roads near my house actually helped me train better, and seeing my progress motivates me to keep going.
oh, that's why you join futsal
Yeah.
team. Yeah. And what's challenge you face while trying to maintain and join the futsal team?
The biggest challenge is staying consistent, especially with food craving and busy schedules.
Yeah.
But I try to stick to my routine and keep my goals in mind.
Okay. And we'll talk about fun and your personality. Something about people would be surprised to learn about you. What something people would be.
People might be surprised that I'm actually very cheering and thoughtful. Even though I look quiet at first.
Like you look like introvert people.
Yeah, introverted. I don't know.
But in the cover, but in your heart you attack active people. How would your friend describe your personality?
My friend will describe me as calm, reliable, funny, and easy to talk to.
And maybe I wanna ask you about wait. What would you say to people who never tried futsal, bicycling, and always stay at her room?
Yeah. In Indonesia or English.
In English.
Keep the sport and keep just try it. You don't need a big field or expensive shoes. Just grab a ball, invite your friend, and start playing. I mean, it's simple but really fun. Once you try, you'll love it.
Yeah, that's good. And you say that you love futsal, bicycling. Maybe this is the last question, yeah.
Last question.
Yeah, last question. You love the futsal, bicycling, and e-sport.
Yeah.
Why do you like futsal more than the other sports?
And some things is music, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Here. I'm hearing what did I hear, bro? Pop or jazz?
Nah. Before we talk about music,
Oh,
talk about what in three sports. Why do you like more futsal?
more
Yeah, futsal more than bicycling. Or...
bicycling lah.
Oh, bicycling.
Yeah, bro.
You more like bicycling
Yeah.
because your favorite people.
Yeah, I have a favorite people and favorite place and favorite imagination.
How about your favorite
My favorite
person? You say about the music.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite genre in music?
Genre I like pop or jazz music and just little bit semi rock.
What's the band name?
Band is Hi-Fi, Juicy Lucy.
Maybe in the another country,
Another country.
Europe maybe.
Europe.
MCR,
Europe. I like
Avenged Sevenfold. What?
forget. And Europe I like what the hell, bro? Maroon 5 in America.
America. And Indonesia, you like Juicy Lucy,
Juicy Lucy, Reality Club, Hi-Fi, and Sal Priadi.
You love Sal Priadi so
Yeah.
much.
So much, too much.
Too much. Ever you going to the concert before?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
In
With who?
CRSL concert
With who?
with my friend Markus Mar.
Markus Pandiangan.
Yeah,
And do you enjoy the vibe about concert?
enjoy, but this is my first concert. And
Ah.
I meet Sal Priadi, bro. Oi, Mas Sal.
You really love him.
Yeah, I like hear music,
The karya,
the song.
and song, the vibe, the music. You what your favorite song?
Just one or three or five?
Best of the three.
Best of the three. The first, Kuri.
Kuri, what's that?
Kita usahakan rumah itu.
Kita usahakan rumah itu.
And the first and second, ya sudah.
Ya sudah.
And the third is
The last.
foto kita blue.
Foto kita belum.
This best three for me. It's a for memorable
Song.
song from Sal Priadi.
If you face to face
No.
to Sal Priadi, what you gonna say to him?
Boknya hancur to Sal Priadi.
Why?
Because he's from Malang. Malang Suantai Sayang.
Malang Santai Sayang. Also the song. And maybe the people listener don't know what you say. What is the translation?
What?
You say to Sal Priadi.
Anco is hi Masal.
Ah,
Anco is being Javanese
Javanese
language.
Javanese language.
It's so standard in Malang and Kediri. Boknya Anco.
Will you take a photo with him?
I take a photo Sal Priadi, but I'm not selfie.
Not
with
selfie.
him.
Maybe next time ya.
Insya Allah next time.
Insyaallah next konser. Maybe do you plan to go to another concert?
Insya Allah, I don't know ya. Insya Allah ya.
Next year maybe?
Next year CSRL next year in Yogyakarta. I want to visit CRSL.
Maybe you're gonna
Oh.
invite me. Ah,
Monggo.
Monggo. And people who love the concert ya. maybe that's all that we can say ya about this podcast. And if you wanna heard the another episode, comment in below and we'll make another podcast.
Yeah.
And thank you, Mr. Farid.
Thank you, surrounding.
And yeah, 3, 2, 1, and close the podcast. Bye bye.
20 menit dong.